we rank Zimbabwe with any other team. I think they're a very good all-round side. We've come across them quite often, and they can be a surprise package. So we are not taking anything lightly. We just want to concentrate on our performances, which is in our control, with the players who we play, and execute a game plan. We still haven't decided what our combination is going to be. We have a lot of options in our hand with the players we have in the side. So we'll make a final call this evening or tomorrow with the combination. It looks very good wickets. I think, we played our provincial tournament. I mean, this is something that we're a bit used to, because our provincial tournaments the last year and a half, we played on these tracks. So I haven't seen a huge difference has happened in the last 2 years. So the wickets has been settled. Even in the test match we played against West Indies, it was a pretty good wicket, and we saw yesterday as well. 300 runs, it was a good track, and they chased it down 200. Maybe they lost too many wickets up front. So, yeah, the bounce is a factor that you have to get used to. So I'm not complaining. I'm a batsman. I love the ball coming onto the bat. So I'm sure the fast bowlers, will have something in it, as well as the spinners. They'll have bounce, which most of our spinners would love to have. So it's a different wicket, something that we have to adjust to. We know when the guys are going to get injured, but it's a big tournament. We want all our best players to play each and every game. The preparation before the World Cup is something that we did a lot of work with the fitness and then the workload of some of our players who we know, who could, who has a history with certain injuries. So we've looked after them. At the same time, we made sure they played enough cricket so that they're in the groove. I mean, if somebody gets injured, it's unlucky. I mean, it's a tournament that you need to have your best players playing all the time and get into a rhythm and playing each and every game. But if somebody gets injured, then there'll be somebody else who'll put their hand up and have to perform. And fortunately, touchwood, I mean, most of our guys are doing well. Lasith, the first few games had a issue. We made sure that he's rested properly before he got back into things, and the rest of the boys are fine, and we just hope and pray that none of the guys would get injured, but we can't control that, so no point worrying about it.
Yeah, Mala, do you think your team has reached peak point, or do you think there's still more to go?
No, definitely not peak point. I think Lasith coming back into the team has given us a bit more options in our bowling attack, which is great. Like I said, we have a lot of options with the spin department and with the pace as well. Given the opposition, given the conditions, we will use that. With the batting, I think we are settling into some of the guys with their roles, but I think we still can improve on that. Trying to get guys to bat long periods, making sure we have big partnerships, that kind of stuff. And even on the field, I think there's always room to improve. I mean, we are a very hard-working side when it comes to fielding, but we can't stop from that. We just have to keep improving, make sure we make those half chances, and which would be very crucial in a World Cup. So there's definitely room for improvement. Hopefully, we'll get into our peak when it comes to the last 3 games.